Welcome to Cripp's Kitchen. Today we're making grilled peanut butter and jelly. Let's go. So the things you're going to need are peanut butter, jam of any flavor or jelly, butter, and 2 pieces of bread. So, starting off, you're going to want to grab your peanut butter and your jelly and your bread. You want to get a knife for your butter, a knife for your peanut butter. Butter knives will do just fine. And you want to grab a spoon for your jelly. So, first, we're going to open up our peanut butter. Like that. I like to buy it in the big tubs because it doesn't get all over your hands or being in a small opening. And you're just gonna want to gently coat each piece of bread with as much peanut butter as you like. It is up to you. I prefer not that much, but a good little bit. And you're going to want to do that for both pieces. Just a little bit of peanut butter there, and there, a little more. Alright, so then we have our 2 pieces of bread coated in peanut butter. Then I'm going to grab out your jelly. If I can get it open. Can't get it open. Then you're going to want to grab your jelly. And you're going to put as much as you like. I like a very heavy teaspoon. And sometimes, I think this time, we're just going to go for 2. A lot of jelly on here. A lot of jelly. And I like to not spread mine around super evenly, so there's good little clumps. I like those. A lot of people don't, so you can spread the jelly however you like. So this is where you should be at now. You can see my jelly is definitely a little more clumped up than most people typically would. I just like it better that way. Alright, I've come a little closer now. So you're going to want to grab your 1 piece that is only peanut butter and not jelly, and set it carefully on top of the side with jelly. So you have a little sandwich here. Then you're going to want to grab your butter, and you're going to want to coat the top piece of bread with a thin layer of butter. You don't want too much because you don't really need a huge buttery taste for this. Because, I mean, who thinks butter when you're eating peanut butter and jelly? Alright, and then you're going to head over to the pan. Alright, now over here at the pan, you're going to want to grab your sandwich and butter side down, place it on. I prefer to place it on and then light the burner. This one you do have to light by hand, which is quite interesting. And like that. Alright. I like to keep it on like a 3 or a 4 on a scale of 7, which is what my oven or stovetop is. It's up to you. It will vary by oven. So we're going to let this sit on here for about 1.5 minutes, and we'll be right back. Okay, with just my bottom half here now. It's been about 2 minutes because I like it a little more crispy. So you're going to want to get your... Just check if it's not stuck to the bottom. Then you're going to want to turn down your heat a little bit. And you're going to want to grab your butter again. Now this you could have done right when you put it on the stovetop, but I prefer to wait a little bit, just in case. It melts the butter on top too much, kind of sogs into the bread before you really want it to. Alright, we're going to want to butter this up nice and thoroughly. A little bit heavier on this side. Alright. Watch out while you're buttering that you don't burn yourself in the pan. And then you're going to want to get your spatula under there and give her a nice flip. So you got that nice golden color on top. How you typically imagine a grilled cheese, but it is a grilled peanut butter and jelly instead. Make sure that's on there and leave that for about 2 minutes. Alright, it's been about 2 minutes. We're going to flip her on over, check the bottom. Looking pretty good, a little bit more toasty than the other side, but that is how I like it. We're going to scoop her on up, and we'll be right back at our plate. Back at our plate over here, you're going to want to grab a knife of any type, and you're going to want to do a nice cut. I prefer down the middle. You can do diagonally. It is completely up to you, of course. And pull it apart. And you can look at the nice cross section. You have hot, burning peanut butter seeping out. Super hot jelly oozing out. And it is delicious. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Cooking with Cripp.